Hello everyone, I am Tushar Dhawan, Director at Ecotile Flooring. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. So Ecotile comes with a variety of features, the highlights being slip resistance, chemical resistance and fire resistance. This product comes with a 10-year warranty. So for 10 years there's a peace of mind. You don't need to think about redoing the floor, bringing in labor and shutting down your operations. Buy it and forget it. Our product has a very unique proposition where you can install this product without shutting down your operations. It is eco-friendly and comes in a variety of colors to uplift and upgrade your facilities. Ecotile is a 30-year-old flooring company established in the UK, in England, and it has been widely successful in Europe, in USA, and all the other global countries. We have brought Ecotile to India now, and this product is being made in India now. So this product is a very unique proposition. It has been almost every industry's go-to solution.